Imagine a world where crossing continents is as quiet as a whisper. That world isn't as far away as you think. NASA's X-59 QueSST is not just an aircraft, it's a game changer. For the first time, we're talking about supersonic flight without the thunderous sonic boom that's grounded dreams for decades. This November, something extraordinary happened. At Lockheed Martin's legendary Skunk Works facility, engineers powered up the X-59's cutting-edge General Electric F-414 engine. This engineering marvel is built to propel the X-59 to Mach 1.4, over 900 miles per hour, while gliding 55,000 feet above the ground. But here's the magic. Instead of shattering windows and shaking the earth, the X-59 creates a gentle sonic thump, so quiet you might not even notice. These engine tests are more than just a milestone. They're a statement that the future of aviation is here. Imagine flying coast to coast in hours, with speed and tranquility working in harmony. NASA isn't just testing an engine, they're testing the limits of what's possible. The skies are calling, and the X-59 is the answer. Stay with us as we witness history in the making.